The freaky flashing light phenomenon continues. I've got brand new video footage to share with you guys. We're going to start out in Tennessee. Here we go.
Manchester, Tennessee, light flashing. Interstate 24, been seeing them. Seen a couple in.
Going to Murfreesboro, Tennessee, RTM Roofing. Same gentleman that just shared the first video. He's seen this phenomena multiple times in the central Tennessee area. Check that out. Lights flickering all over the place in central Tennessee. Even the light on the side of the building there. Several flickering lights. I mean, it just looks eerie. Something's definitely wrong with that picture. Going to Branson, Missouri. More mysterious flashing lights. Lance Osborne, January 9th at 10 p.m. This is continuing into January. I'm getting new video footage all the time. Notice the flickering lights off in the distance. And you can also see what looks like right there. Fog. We're seeing fog, flickering lights that make absolutely no sense. Check this out. Now, it might get a little loud here, so if you have on headphones or something like that, just know that coming up you're going to see a bright flash that was captured on a security camera by Angela Rocks, sent in by Denise Campos, some sort of a strange eruption. Not quite sure where this occurred, but these lights on the front of this building turn off after the big flash. Check this out, and you're going to hear a loud noise. What in the world was that? Absolutely unbelievable. Listen to all the car alarms in the background. Video number 5, going to Marion, Illinois. More mysterious flashing lights over a wide area. Chad, January 13th of 2025. Look at all these tall lights. He stopped what he was doing to film these mysterious flashing lights. I mean, people are seeing this all over the place. Video number 6, going up to London, Ontario. Yet another example of just one, but they've never seen this before. Jamie F., January 6th, 2025. Yet another mysterious flashing light for unknown reasons. Seen this phenomena coast to coast. Washington all the way to Florida and everywhere in between. And one more stop, Honolulu, Hawaii. Annie Elizabeth noticed an entire building on the night of January 14th at 1 o'clock in the morning. The lights are off on these various floors, but for some reason, they were turning on very randomly. Almost every level of this building, the lights were flashing at 1:03 a.m. January 14th, 2025, Honolulu, Hawaii. First video I've received of this phenomenon from Hawaii, and it was an entire building. Unbelievable. Are you serious right now? I've got more mysterious lights to share with you guys. I wanted to take you over to Birmingham, United Kingdom. L.A. King, January 16th, 1:30 in the morning. Freak fog again. People are seeing this from what I'm hearing all around the world. I've seen a lot of it from the UK and over here in the United States and Canada. And I'm sure this is happening in other places as well. But you can see how thick the fog was, the particles. The particles appear to be quite large. So the phenomena continues. Mysterious flashing lights, mysterious fog, and we